Now let's set up a connector between IT Visibility and Microsoft Intune. So return to Flexera One, then go to Data Collection, IT Visibility Tasks, External Inventory Connectors. These are the existing connections. Some are enabled, other are disabled. You can hit these three dots and change it between enabled and disabled, or you can double click on the link or hit View Details. We're going to create a connection. This will be for Intune. The name, we can make it Intune Inventory. We enter the client ID, then the client secret, and the Azure tenant ID. And hit test and create. And now we have an Intune inventory connection that we'll have to wait for it to process to see the results.